Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, let's go for the settings, click on the connected devices, tap on the connection preferences and tap on the printing. Right now we have to go to add the service, and we are in the Play Store right now, so we have to pick up the plugin from the company of our printer. So I'm going for the HP print service. Let's install. We can just go back to our settings and go for the HP print service. And as you can see, our smartphones find my printer and it connects automatically to it. So right now, if you want to print something, I will go for the picture. Maybe for this one, you have to select, click here to share, and here you have to find the HP print service, accept the stuff. Right now just pick up your printer and simply tap on this icon to print this picture. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.